becoming interested in Alaska as a territory and eventually as a state, they wanted to have an unbroken line of communication rather than going through Canada, which could have been, you know, in some ways stubborn.
So first water from here. On the left, and I walk by, that's the Chulitna River in the distance. The word Chulitna, it means the lost river, and they call it that because of how it meanders. They're not kind of snakes in and out. They say it looks like that because it got lost. In all these words we've been talking about today, Chulitna.
Easter.
Of erosion, other awesome forces of nature have first crushed the gold out of the ore veins in the mountains, eventually redepositing, actually concentrating the gold from the mountain veins in amongst the sands and gravels that accumulate at the mountain's base to form a stream bed. These meandering alluvial or placer gold deposits are referred to as pay streaks. The gold-bearing sand and gravel that we dig out of a pay streak becomes our pay dirt. Sweet little pile of pay dirt from the gold stream behind the excavator. I've just put a short ton of the same dirt in the bucket to separate gold from dirt. Point of view. In the early spring, it's been 7 months since payday. You try to budget that one time. So maybe you need to get a little money in the box.
Here comes that water.
Get you through the day. We do use that pan all day, every day. We'll show you our way of using it. After that, grab a bag of dirt, meet you in the panning area. First thing you learn, yes, you can sit down to pan for gold. Took me over 20 years to figure that one out. I got it from our helpers right here at the box. You know, give them a chance. We can all learn a lot from our young people. You settle in. Room for everybody to have a seat. The water's warm. Dump your whole bag of dirt in the pan at once, cover the dirt with water, and start to swirl it around. Ah. That grinding sound's your first clue everything's going just right. Keep swirling. And there you are. Panning. Get them out of there. First gold. Soup time again. You see how simple? not to worry if you forget one of these steps. The crew from the box will join the rest of our outfit, along with the better driver guides and tour directors, all in the panning area to help everybody here as little or as much as you'd like. If you're waiting for your memory, looking in or listening, because they're going to use the same panning method up in the panning area that we're demonstrating back here. Just not sure what to do? Remember those big rocks? They're going to keep getting smaller. From time to time, scooping up water in your pan to flatten everything to a single layer. The few remaining rocks poke up above everything else. You'll see just which rocks you need to pull back, rinse them clean, and get them out of the pan, and then out over the edge. Make sure there's no gold in the dirt. Then we'll go back, get the rest of the dirt out of the gold. Thank you. I think the most common misunderstanding in gold panning is thinking that we're going to try to get a bunch of gold out of some dirt. If you do it the same way we do it, you're going to get all of the dirt out of the gold. Now to figure